Secondary axis with twinx, how to add to legend? I have a plot with two y-axes, using twinx. I also give labels to the lines, and want to show them with legend, but I only succeed to get the labels of one axis in the legend. So I only get the labels of the first axis in the legend, and not the label temp of the second axis. How could I add this third label to the legend?
You can easily add a second legend by adding the line. You'll get this. But if you want all labels on one legend, then you should do something like this. Which will give you this.
I'm not sure if this functionality is new, but you can also use the get_legend_handles_labels method rather than keeping track of lines and labels yourself.
From matplotlib version 2.1 onwards, you may use a figure legend. Instead of ax.legend, which produces a legend with the handles from the axis ax, one can create a figure legend, which will gather all handles from all subplots in the figure. Since it is a figure legend, it will be placed at the corner of the figure, and the lock argument is relative to the figure. In order to place the legend back into the axes, one would supply a bbox_to_anchor and a bbox_transform. The latter would be the axis transform of the axis the legend should reside in. The former may be the coordinates of the edge defined by lock given in axis coordinates.
You can easily get what you want by adding the line in ax. Or, this would plot nothing but add a label to legend of ax. I think this is a much easier way. It's not necessary to track lines automatically when you have only a few lines in the second axis, as fixing by hand like above would be quite easy. Anyway, it depends on what you need. The whole code is as below. The plot is as below. Update, add a better version. This will do nothing while plot 0, 0, may change the axis range. One extra example for scatter.